afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are. We're Pop and Red Travels. I'm Dan.
I'm Bob.
And today we have something slightly different that we don't normally do.
We're doing a packing video
Yes.
for our upcoming cruise next weekend.
Yes, and bear with us if we're looking a little dishevelled. It's very warm.
I kind of fan off to record this.
I know a lot of people say, oh, it's not anything compared to this, that and the other. I know it's not, but we're just not used to it. It's 27 degrees here. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Maybe we'll put it on the screen. Maybe.
If you tell me what that is, yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, we thought we'd show you what we're packing for our cruise. It's coming up in less than a week now for us.
Or as you're watching this,
we would have
gone yesterday, and this would be going out on our first full day. And this has nothing to do with the fact that we had nothing else to fill this gap with before our series properly started. Because between last week's This Is What We're Doing cruise video and the start of the actual series next week, nothing to do at all with the fact there was a missing video, and this is going to be the filler one. No. Coincidence.
Yep. Oh well. So we thought we'd show you. The room's not necessarily the most tidiest room in the world, so just bear with us on that one.
It's like a palace in here.
But this is what we've decided we're packing. We'll go through it and let you know what we've got. We're either going to have 2 of the larger size cases or 2 of the medium size, depending on what we can get into them. Preferably the medium if we can, just because it's easier. But we've only got 23 kilos that we can have. But yeah. That's each. So it's not too bad. And we normally have that when we go to Florida anyway, so it'll be fine. So where should we start?
At the top and look backwards?
Yes. So on our first day, full day at sea, it's celebration night. So Bob and I are both wearing suit jackets. So he's got a lovely velvety black one with pattern on it, and I've got a blue velvety one with a pattern on it. Mine isn't as pronounced because of the blue, but there is a pattern on it. And we both bought some bow ties the other day from Amazon.
And there's a little lapel pin that goes with them.
Yep. So we're looking forward to wearing those. We're both taking lanyards. A lot of people said you don't need to take lanyards with you, but we are, for the cruise card or whatever it's called. And then I've got behind here, I've got just my like casual shirts that I'm wearing. So I've got like a pink one, a couple of like greenish ones, just for day-to-day wearing, where like going around the ship and eating. Next on Bob's side, we've got his jackets.
2 jackets because it's bound to get wet if the weather changes. So 1 and a spare. Yep. Taking the face masks, even though we don't wear much here in the UK now. I'll take them just in case they want them on the ship. Or
yeah, they do sound line to take them just in case.
I have a small pile of shirts. There's another couple in the wash.
Yep.
Sunglasses for the hot weather, sunny weather.
Yeah, hopefully.
A couple of thinnish jumpers, just a spirit jersey and a thin knitted woolen one.
Yeah, we've been told that the weather can change quite quickly, so we're taking all precautions really.
Yeah. A pair of swimming trunks for the hot tub if we go in there. 2 pairs of shorts.
Yep.
With a pair of jeans I'll be wearing on travel day, which I haven't put on the bed, but I don't think I'll take a spare pair because they dry quite quickly if I get wet.
Yep.
A pile of t-shirts, just half a dozen. Because we're going 7 days, but between the shirts and the t-shirts I can mix and match, wear one with them if I need to. Yep. Woolly hat and scarf.
Always a necessity.
Just in case.
I don't wear them, but Bob does.
And then shoes, I've got the posher ones for the celebration night. A couple of pairs of trainers, they want a pair and a spare in case I get wet.
Yep.
A hat, because I catch the sun very easily on my
he does.
shaven head.
And we do also have sun cream, but we'll get to that in a minute.
Keep myself entertained in the evening or something, or when I get bored, puzzle book. Got a couple of books to read. Yep. Raincoat, in case it's a particularly wet day. And then we've got metal straws. Yep. And we've each got a pack of the travel cutlery. We take these with us to Florida and Disneyland Paris and that sort of thing. We're taking with us just in case we're out on one of the excursions and get something to eat and
don't have anything to eat it with.
Or around the ship even.
Yeah. The books that we're taking are like the alternative versions of the fairy tales. They're not like the originals, but they're like as if the story was told slightly different. So 2 of them are mine because I'm halfway through one, and Bob's got the bigger one, so his should last him anyway.
Yeah, I don't long started it.
Yeah, I will take you through my clothes now. So we've got my hat, which I take with me. I always like to take a hat. I probably won't wear it, but hey ho. Got my masks, got Stitch, pink beard one, and then like a doggy one, which is cute. Got my suit trousers for the jacket for celebration night, and I got some new shoes that I bought the other day, which I really like.
Yeah, very nice.
£32 from George at Asda, so they were really nice. It's got my shorts, as Bob has, shorts, swimming shorts, and then jeans. A various selection of shoes, because I have to have lots of shoes. I could pack a lot more than this, so I got like 2 Nike trainers and a pair of shiny Converse. Got my jumper to keep me warm, just in case it gets cold. A selection of t-shirts, pyjama bottoms, or loungewear as it's called now.
Loungewear.
Mm-hmm. We've got all the socks over here. The underwear isn't out yet because we have more socks than we have underwear, so we thought we'd wait till the end of the week. Flip-flops to be by the pool, around the room, etc.
Brilliant. So I look up, you go into silhouettes, so I don't look up too much.
Yeah, sorry, it's because the window's behind me. We've got card games.
So I can see them.
Okay, card games that we're taking with us.
Just in case.
Yep. Then we're going into like technology and cosmetic-y type stuff here. So we're taking Epimax Isomol gel. This is actually something I got when I had a rash and it was going all scaly, and the doctor recommended it. It's actually really good. It really helps with all types of skin conditions. That's really good. Something for athlete's foot isn't pleasant, but I do suffer from athlete's foot now and again, so I'm taking that. Because we like to be a bit sustainable, we've got bamboo cotton buds, which can be composted, or I think just recycled in general. Yeah, they're 100% biodegradable and compostable, so that's good. And then I don't wear makeup, but I use these like reusable cotton pads for like my facial regime, because I like to use moisturisers and serums on my face just to keep it young and youthful. I know it's not working, but
it is. You're so pretty.
Shush.
You're so pretty.
So also, as I said, we've got our sun cream. We always use Factor 50 because we both burn like lobsters. So no matter what the weather's like, obviously deodorant, which is a necessity. Then in here I have my cleansers, I've got my serums, got my eye cream, moisturiser, beard brush, hair wax, beard balm, beard oil, lip balm. We've got Germaline in case we hurt ourselves, eau de toilette to keep us smelling fresh.
That's the one thing I packed in that.
Shh, don't tell everyone that I like to take care of myself. One other thing that we have for which isn't very pleasant, I won't show it because people probably won't want to see it, but it's basically a foot file. So we take that to keep our feet nice and in nice condition. Necessity is always lots of tablets, meds. We haven't put our actual meds in our prescription meds, but we've got things like ibuprofen, cold and flu, calms, cocodamol in case I get migraines, things like that. So we've got that lot. What else have we got? Jewellery, various bits of jewellery. Got my Pandora bracelet that Bob bought me. I like to wear that. I got a couple of bracelets and rings. We've both got rings in there, so that's good. Sunglasses. Necessity.
Mm-hmm.
Bob's is over there, but you don't need to see them. One thing we've been told to definitely take: binoculars. So we've got 2 sets. Got like a smaller set and then the big decent set that we'll be taking with us.
Because people on Facebook group for the cruise have said the scenery, if you want to look at anything more up close, and the scenery is so beautiful. But yeah, take binoculars so you can get a better view at things.
Yep. Cool. We've got a laptop so we can do any editing at the time, take stuff off the cameras. Laptop there, which we have a laptop case for it. We also take a keyboard and mouse and stand, so that we can make sure we're sat at a good posture when we're at the laptop.
So I have to do the editing for the first travel day while we're actually on the cruise. Yes,
unfortunately. Next we've got switches, so we both will take our switches with us to play games. We've been playing Tears of the Kingdom a lot, Zelda, so we'll probably fight over who's using that at the time, but we'll see. Headphones are a must for me because they help with my neurodivergent things where I struggle with noises, so this helps me because they cancel out the noise really good, really well, really good. Watch chargers.
Mm-hmm.
We both have digital watches, so we have to take those. Got the tablet, so this is just for sketching on. Oh, it's telling us that our video is about to go live or has gone live here. So we take that with us everywhere we go. Then we've got the camera equipment here, so we've got the 360, which we'll try and get as many shots on that as possible. In here we have the GoPro, and also the camera that we're currently filming on goes in here when it's not being used. It all fits in here nicely, so that's good. We're taking the chest harness. We've never actually used this, but we really should use it at some point. I don't know whether we use it on this vacation or holiday, but it's worth having just in case. This is just a box full of all the accessories. So we've got the wrist strap for the cameras, mainly for the GoPro. We've got spare batteries, light, memory cards, etc. And we're both taking new emos with us again.
Even though it's not a Disney holiday,
they've got to come with ours.
They've got to come with, yeah. Drinks bottle.
Water bottles. Bob's is downstairs.
So use mine for work every day.
And then we've got our folder that has all of our paperwork in it. You've got to do a lot of things in ahead of time, so I won't show you the paperwork in there because it's got personal information, but we've got like our passports in here, and then we've got like our luggage tags, our parking information, etc. I think that's it really. Oh, I've got my jackets as well. So I'm taking a couple of warmer jackets. This is like a thinner one, and then I've got like a furry one for if it gets really, really cold.
And the extension lead, I don't know if you mentioned.
Oh yeah, the extension lead.
You don't know what the plug situation's like on the Iona, but there's so much to charge up. Yeah.
Yeah, when you vlog, you find that you have a lot of stuff you need to plug in, like truly charging batteries, etc. Am I in silhouette?
You're right there. You're right there.
Okay. So yeah, the with vlogging, we've normally got like 3 cameras we need to charge at all times. We've got the laptop we need to plug in, and then we've got these switches we might need to plug in, and then we've got the tablet we might need to plug in. So it's just a case of maximising that. I think
there are other things we haven't put here yet, like we're going to be taking tea bags,
yes,
my latte sachets, a mixer, some squash, alcohol probably. You probably want a bottle of vodka.
Yeah, we'll take a bottle of vodka, or not vodka each, but a bottle of alcohol each, to because we're not buying the drinks package yet. Do you want to come and join me on the camera?
Yeah, I don't want to see me on the camera.
They do want to see it on the camera.
Another important thing I'm taking.
Oh, annoying. Yeah, they'll be taking the fan. And yeah, I think that's it. We've got underwear's not there, as I said. I don't think what else isn't there yet. I think that was it, wasn't it? Really?
I think so. Just little bits and pieces.
Yeah, we've got toothpaste.
Yeah, the wash kit stuff. That's because we're using it between now and then.
Yeah.
And important decision to be made.
Oh, my hair. Yeah, I'll be doing my hair. Hopefully dyeing my hair today, or bleaching it, and then deciding in the week what colour it is, because this is like the Sunday before we go. So, if there's anything else you think we've missed, okay, when it goes out, we'll already be on the cruise. It's not going to help us, but
for future reference.
For future reference for other people as well. If there's anything we've missed or you think we should be taking, please put it in the comments below.
Or anything you think you won't need that.
Yeah, there will be. Yeah. People will probably say you don't need that many shoes. But yeah, I do.
You do. Yeah.
I'd probably pack even more than that if I could get away with it. So we're only allowed 23 kilos. We'll have to see what this looks like when we put it into the bag and weigh it, and then we might have to take stuff out.
Contact lenses. I need to reorder some contact lenses as well for the holiday.
Yeah. But yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this little packing video with us. It's a short one.
Not something we usually don't, so we're not really sure what to show on it, but that's a general idea of what we're taking.
Yeah. But if you did like it, please give it a thumbs up, because it really helps the video out. And if you want to see our cruise vlogs, which will be coming up next week for you on the Sunday, then please subscribe to us, and there'll be a vlog for each day that we're on the cruise. So with like seven vlogs, I think.
If we buy enough trinkets and souvenirs, there'll be a whole video at the end. Usually.
Maybe, yeah.
Depends what we buy.
Yep. And then you can also follow us on
Instagram, Twitter, TikTok.
Ooh.
We're on Facebook. We have a group on there if you want to join us. And we have a website, www.pupandbeartravels.co.uk or .com.
Trying to turn away from the camera as I yawn, sorry. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I hopefully catch you in the next one.